An alcohol is an organic compound with an OH group bonded to carbon. An ether is an organic compound with a single bonded oxygen between two carbons. Alcohols can be classified as being primary, secondary, or tertiary. A primary alcohol has the OH group bonded to a carbon that is bonded to only one other carbon. A secondary alcohol is bonded to a carbon that is bonded to two other carbons, and a tertiary alcohol is bonded to a carbon with bonds to three other carbons. Primary alcohols can undergo oxidation to an aldehyde, which gets further oxidized to a carboxylic acid due to the presence of the hydrogen of the aldehyde. Secondary alcohols get oxidized to a ketone as there is only one hydrogen available for oxidations. Tertiary alcohols cannot undergo oxidation. Alcohols can undergo a substitution reaction where the OH is replaced with the chlorine using zinc chloride or the Lucas reagent. You will be observing different reactions of an alcohol and an ether. Place 1 ml of water in each of 2 test tubes. Note this is different from the lab manual. Place 10 drops of cyclohexanol and diethyl ether in separate tubes. Shake each well and observe. To find out the solubility limits of alcohols in relation to carbon number, you will observe alcohols with increasing carbon number in water. You will need 7 test tubes, each with 1 ml of water. In the first tube, place 10 drops of methanol. Mix and observe. Repeat this with the alcohols up to 7 carbons. Set up another test tube with 1 ml of water and repeat the solubility test with 0.1 grams of glucose added to the tube. To weigh out the glucose, place a piece of whey paper, fold it on the diagonal, and unfold. Tare the balance. Use a spatula to transfer a small amount of solid from the container to the whey paper on the balance. Remember to use the brush to clean off the balance if you spill. In the hood, add 10 drops of ethanol to the spot plate and touch a match to the plate and observe. Set up 2 test tubes, one with 10 drops of ethanol and one with 10 drops of ether. Add sodium dichromate in sulfuric acid and mix. Record your observations. To 10 drops of tertiary butanol in a test tube, add 1 ml of the Lucas reagent and mix well. Allow the solution to settle. After a minute, take a few drops of only the top layer and put it into a new test tube. Clean a heavy gauge copper wire by holding it in a Bunsen burner flame in the hood until the flame glows yellow. Dip the clean wire into the test tube with the top layer. Insert into the flame. Record your observations.